Do you want to unlock free advertising on Facebook? Hey, it's Derek Gales, and in the past, I've covered a number of paid strategies to get motivated sellers and buyers to help build your lists. In this video, I want to talk about things you can do to increase organic awareness of your business and its offerings. Today, we're going to be talking about strategies to get people to engage with and share the valuable content that you and your team are working so hard to create. Getting people to engage with and share your content is like free advertising for your business. It doesn't cost you a dime. Let's dive in. First off, you need to create content that really matters. Things that people find informative and are excited to share with their audience. Take a look at some of the content pieces we use on our RealFlow page. According to a New York Times study on the psychology of sharing, researchers discovered that 94% of people who share a post do so because they think it will be helpful to other people in their network. Here are 5 tips to create shareable, awesome content. Number 1, if you are writing content on your own website, include a Facebook share button so that people who are reading it can get it out to their list, even if they're not on Facebook reading your content. Make sure your posts are helpful. They have to be useful. You have to give people something that they can take away and actionably execute from your content. Number 3 is to always make sure you use an image or a video with your post. It's eye-catching, it's engaging, and it's the way that content is going in the future. Number 4 goes right in line with number 3. Use keywords that are relevant and eye-catching to your niche or community. We want to make sure that we capture people's attention as soon as they see your post. Number 5, ask people to recommend friends of theirs and tag them in posts or comments that may be relevant to their current situation. Many of our investors post quick videos of themselves asking for help, looking for homes to buy in their area, and are always surprised at how many engagements they receive, all from people in their community who want to help, and especially all for free. This is just one little piece of the Facebook puzzle. If you're looking to learn more about what you can do and how you can engage on Facebook, check out our Facebook Marketing Masterclass course for everything you need to know about how to dominate Facebook.